Manually scrubbing algae and scooping wet leaves turns your backyard pool into a tiring weekend chore. A dedicated robotic pool cleaner automatically maps your pool floor to vacuum up dirt while you relax. And that's where our guide to the top 10 best robotic pool cleaners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Pool maintenance becomes easier with the WYBOT C1 cordless robotic pool cleaner. Delivering up to 3,038 gallons per hour of suction, its dual PVC brushes remove leaves, sand, and debris from floors, walls, and the waterline. Smart gyroscope navigation follows structured cleaning patterns for efficient coverage, even in irregular pool shapes. Weighing under 23 pounds, it is easy to lift and maintain. Downsides include a frustrating mobile app, mixed long-term durability reports, and the absence of nanofilters for ultrafine debris. Smart automation meets advanced cleaning in the Aiper Scuba V3 Ultra, the world's first cognitive AI robotic pool cleaner. Powered by cognitive AI Navium, it analyzes weather conditions, cleaning history, and pool layout to create efficient cleaning paths. Vision Path dual cameras with LED lighting identify debris in real time, while powerful 8,500 GPH suction captures everything from leaves to fine sand and pollen. Its 6-in-1 design cleans floors, walls, waterlines, surfaces, and shallow areas. Sparkling pool maintenance becomes remarkably simple with the Dolphin Liberty 600. Designed for in-ground pools up to 49 feet long, this fully cordless robotic cleaner scrubs floors, walls, water lines, steps, and corners with impressive efficiency. Its 9,800 mAh lithium-ion battery delivers up to 4.5 hours of runtime, while Eco Mode keeps pools clean for up to 2 weeks on a single charge. Click-up retrieval brings the robot to the waterline for easy removal, and dual-level filtration captures both large debris and fine particles. Premium pool maintenance becomes nearly effortless with the Wybot S2 Pro. This cordless robotic cleaner features a solar-powered in-pool charging dock that allows automatic recharging without removing the unit from the water. Powerful brushless motors deliver strong suction for leaves, sand, dust, and algae, while multi-layer filtration keeps water clear. It cleans floors, walls, steps, and water lines using intelligent navigation, app control, 7 cleaning modes, and scheduling. High cost and occasional app or docking issues are its main drawbacks. Clean, inviting pool water is easier to maintain with the Aiper Scuba X1. This cordless robotic pool cleaner uses powerful twin-jet suction to remove sand, pebbles, and larger debris, while dual silicone rollers tackle algae and grime. Its advanced multi-layer filtration captures particles as small as 3 microns for outstanding water clarity. WavePath 3.0 navigation intelligently maps pool surfaces, while Waveline 2.0 technology continuously scrubs the waterline. App connectivity allows easy battery monitoring, cleaning mode selection, and maintenance reminders. Delivering up to 3 hours of runtime, the Scuba X1 offers efficient, hassle-free cleaning performance for residential pools.
The Dolphin Nautilus CC Pro delivers a deep, efficient clean with powerful active scrubbing that tackles your pool floor, walls, and waterline. Its advanced brushes work tirelessly to remove debris and algae, leaving your pool spotless. Equipped with an extra-large top-load fine filtration basket, it traps dirt and contaminants with ease, and emptying it is effortless. Just lift, unsnap the bottom, and rinse. This lightweight robotic cleaner is designed for easy lifting and handling, making pool maintenance simpler than ever. With plug-and-play convenience, setup is as simple as plugging it in and letting it work its magic. The My Dolphin Plus app offers complete control at your fingertips, allowing you to schedule cleanings and monitor performance from anywhere. With a 50-foot maximum pool length capacity and anti-tangling swivel technology, the Nautilus CC Pro moves freely without interruptions. Its 2-hour default cleaning cycle efficiently covers every inch of your pool, and the weekly timer lets you automate maintenance. Built to last, it includes a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Pro offers a hassle-free, thorough clean backed by a 2-year warranty. The Beatbot AquaSense Pro redefines pool cleaning with 5-in-1 comprehensive coverage, tackling the floor, walls, waterline, surface, and water clarity with unmatched efficiency. It employs revolutionary automatic clarifying technology, dispensing a powerful clarifier solution to eliminate dirt, oils, and scum buildup while preventing metal-induced discoloration. A true game changer, it's the first pool robot to clean the water surface, thanks to its dual propeller system that captures floating debris like leaves and branches. Its industry-exclusive smart return and surface parking make maintenance effortless, automatically surfacing after cleaning or when the battery runs low, draining water before parking at the surface for easy retrieval. With a wireless charging dock, the AquaSense Pro ensures safer, smarter charging, eliminating water damage risks with its plug-free vertical design. Equipped with a quad-core CPU and 20 smart sensors, this AI-powered cleaner navigates pools efficiently using optimized S and N-shaped paths for full coverage and obstacle avoidance. A robust 10,400 mAh battery delivers up to 9.5 hours of surface cleaning or 5 hours of bottom cleaning, covering pools up to 3,299 square feet. The Dolphin Explorer E70 delivers a powerful hands-free pool cleaning experience, scrubbing the floor, walls, and waterline with precision. Its active scrubbing brushes tackle stubborn debris, leaving surfaces spotless. The extra-large multi-layer filtration basket captures fine and coarse dirt, ensuring crystal-clear water. Equipped with a temperature sensor, it provides real-time water temperature updates directly to your smart device. With the My Dolphin Plus app, you get full control from anywhere, setting cleaning schedules and monitoring performance remotely. The pickup mode makes retrieval effortless by guiding the cleaner to the pool's edge. Designed for pools up to 50 feet, the E70 completes a thorough clean in just 2 hours. A weekly timer and delay feature allow for customized cleaning cycles, while the anti-tangling swivel ensures uninterrupted movement. This unit comes with a convenient caddy for easy storage and transport, plus an ultra-fine filter kit for enhanced filtration. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the Dolphin Explorer E70 combines innovation and reliability, making pool maintenance effortless. The Wybot S2 Pro is a high-tech, cordless robotic pool cleaner designed for convenience and efficiency. Its compact build houses a powerful brushless motor that drives 2 bulldozer-style treads and dual rubber scrubbers for thorough cleaning. Equipped with infrared-based intelligent navigation and a 6-axis gyroscope, it maps pools up to 3,230 square feet and 9.5 feet deep, ensuring high coverage with precision. One standout feature is the all-in-one inductive charging dock, allowing the robot to charge directly in the pool. It automatically returns to the dock when the battery is low, indicated by an LED display. The 7,800 mAh lithium-ion battery provides up to 3.5 hours of operation and fully recharges in 3 hours. The unit features 7 cleaning modes including turbo, spot area cleaning, and weekly scheduling, all accessible via the WYBOT mobile app or onboard controls. Its 2-level filtration system, including a mesh filter and foam filter, captures debris from large leaves to fine particles. The Dolphin Wave 60 is the ideal robotic pool cleaner for small condos, apartments, and hotel pools up to 50 feet in length. Designed for commercial efficiency, it comes with a convenient caddy for easy storage and transport, along with a remote control for manual operation when needed. With its smart navigation system, the Wave 60 cleans methodically, ensuring complete coverage of the pool floor, walls, and waterline without missing spots or making unnecessary double passes. Equipped with interchangeable fine and ultrafine filters, the Wave 60 removes everything from leaves and sand to microscopic debris, keeping pool water sparkling clean. The top-load filter system allows for quick and easy access, while the full filter indicator notifies you when it's time to clean or replace filters, reducing guesswork and maintenance time. One-touch operation means all it takes is a press of a button to start a cleaning cycle, making pool maintenance effortless. Whether you're managing a residential complex or a hotel, the Dolphin Wave 60 delivers reliable performance and ensures a hygienic swimming environment for residents and guests. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, the Wave 60 is the smart choice for keeping pools pristine. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.